Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to talk about the subject of how to add Apple Pay on Steam. Okay, so what you need to know about, which is you can't add or use Apple Pay on Steam because it's not allowed by Apple Pay yet. Okay, so don't think about that you can use it on Steam because this is not allowed at all. While you can use another payment methods like PayPal, for example, or your MasterCard or something like this. But to use Apple Pay, this is not allowed. So you need to not think about this because a lot of people think that they can use a way or method where they can be able to use Apple Pay on their Steam account, but this is not allowed at all, and you will not even find an option of Apple Pay while you want to buy a game or something like this. So keep in mind that this is not allowed by Apple Pay, and you only need to use other payment methods like MasterCard, like PayPal, and something like this. So this was the video, guys. I hope this made the things clear to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.